There is a popular myth. Many investors believe it's already too late to make a lot of money with Bitcoin. Nothing could be further from the truth. Discover the incredible story of how a crypto pioneer missed the boat on Bitcoin, still got rich, and how you can do the same. He made so much money, he was able to retire in his 30s and travel the world carefree with his wife for 5 full years. Don't miss your chance. Learn how to get rich with Bitcoin even if you have no clue about technology. Bitcoin is a new, better form of money. If you are new to Bitcoin, the time to get in is now. You too can make hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars with Bitcoin, if you don't miss the boat. Getting started with Bitcoin today puts you among the first 1% of early adopters worldwide. The only question is, will you get started today or when Bitcoin is trading at $50,000, $100,000, or even higher? A step-by-step video course shows you how to get started with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, even if you have no clue about technology. Click the link below this video and don't miss this proven path to becoming a crypto millionaire.